What are cardio and strength training?
Cardio refers to exercises that raise your heart rate and improve your cardiovascular system. Examples include running, swimming, and cycling. Strength training focuses on building muscle and increasing strength, often using weights, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. These two forms of exercise target different systems in your body and serve unique fitness goals.
How do cardio and strength training differ?
The main difference lies in their purpose and how they affect your body. Cardio boosts heart and lung health, burns calories, and increases endurance. Strength training builds and maintains muscle mass, boosts metabolism, and improves bone density. Cardio exercises typically involve continuous movement, while strength training involves shorter, targeted bursts of effort against resistance.
What are the key benefits of cardio?
Cardio exercises offer several important benefits, such as lowering the risk of heart disease, improving lung capacity, and aiding weight management. Cardio can also reduce stress, boost mood, and help control blood sugar levels. Regular cardio activity supports overall heart and metabolic health, making it an essential part of a balanced fitness routine.
Why should you do strength training?
Strength training is vital for building and preserving muscle, supporting joint health, and increasing bone strength. It helps enhance body composition by reducing body fat and improving muscle tone. Strength training can also aid in weight control, improve balance, and decrease the risk of injuries, especially as you age.
Should you choose one over the other?
Combining cardio and strength training delivers the best results for most people. Cardio supports heart health and stamina, while strength training builds muscle and supports long-term fitness. The right mix depends on your individual goals, such as weight loss, muscle gain, or overall health. A balanced fitness routine should ideally include both.
How to get started safely?
If you're new to exercise, start slowly and choose activities you enjoy. Gradually increase time and intensity, and consider consulting a fitness professional for guidance. Always warm up before beginning your workout and cool down afterward. Consult your healthcare provider before starting if you have any health concerns. Creating a balanced plan can help make fitness a sustainable habit.